Well, hello and welcome to Snake River Junction. My name is Gary. It's been pretty hectic in trying to troubleshoot a voltage issue here on the layout. I did get a video done. I'm scratch building handrails for a Athearn GP50 that I built from scratch. So check it out. I'm going to add some detail to my Santa Fe. Building railings. I have a 20 gauge copper wire, jewelry wire. Put a little 90-degree bend on it, beginning. And it goes in there. I do have some photos that I'm working off of. Using this riser as a temporary one. I'm putting a 45-degree downward angle right by the stairs and slightly angled it up just before the support. After that, it's a straight run towards the end. But you have to be careful because touch one end, the other end will pop off. Putting a 90-degree bend towards the shell and then a 90-degree downward bend. All right, that didn't work out too good. While trying to get the second bend, the wire snapped. You work with soft copper, that's what happens. Let's try this again. I put a 90-degree bend at the beginning, followed by a 45-degree bend downward by the stairs and a slight upward just before the support. Then it's straight run towards the end of the shell, where I put a 90-degree bend toward the shell, followed by a 90 degrees downward bend. So in this one, you move it, things pop out. And last one, I got to put a 90 degrees here. Make the hole a little bigger. I think once I put supports and it was stiffen up a little. To make the supports, I took a little piece of the copper. First put a bend, 90-degree bend, so it fits in the little hole, and then soldered the top piece to the rail. Just gotta straighten that one out, but need to get this to stay right. I continued all the way across. Follow this down, and you just got to keep going until it's done. The support rail hole needed to be widened, make things a lot easier. There, it's on. I'll just follow this down and keep going. After that, I'll just paint it. As you can see from the photos, I continue all the way around, same process, and then paint it the same color as the shell. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.